on the day of judgment, when everybody is running around like crazy, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is angry, and everyone is scared and running around, they will run to Adam alayhi salam, and they will say, Adam, and you'll find this in the Hadith in Bukhari, they will say, Adam, our forefather, go to Allah and ask him to start the day of judgment. Just ask him to start it and get this over with. Adam will say, my Lord is angry today. He is angry like he has never been before, and he is angry like he will never be again. I disobeyed my Lord in the garden. I disobeyed my Lord in the garden. Therefore I am worried about myself today. Nafsi, nafsi. Go to Ibrahim. And then we'll go to Ibrahim and ask him the same thing. And he will say, my Lord is angry today. He's angry like he never has been before, and he will never be this angry again. I lied. You know, when the lie he made about his wife being his sister, he said, I lied. Therefore, nafsi, nafsi. I am worried about me today. Go to Musa. They will go to Musa, and Musa will say the same thing. My Lord is angry. I killed a man. Even though it was in mistake, he will say, I killed the man. Therefore, I am worried about my own self. Nafsi, nafsi. I cannot help you today. Go to Jesus. And we'll go to Isa. And Isa will say the same thing. My Lord is angry. And people worshipped me like I was Allah. I have my own worries today. I cannot help you. Nafsi, nafsi. How about you go to Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam? Maybe Muhammad can help you. So we will go to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and we will ask him, our dear messenger Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the best of creation, the best of humanity, go to your Lord and ask him to start this day of judgment for us. And he will not refuse us sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Why? Because he has a dua. He has a special dua. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said that every single prophet was given one dua in their lifetime, that they could ask for anything that they wish, and Allah would grant it for them. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that every prophet used that dua in their lifetime. He said, the dua that Allah gave to me, I saved it for you. I saved it for you on the day when you need it most. Look how much he sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved us. Look at how much our messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam cared about us, this ummah, those whom he witnessed and those who he didn't know. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he will go before Allah Jalla wa Ala, and he will make sujood for as long as Allah wishes. It could be a long period of time. He will make sujood and worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Then Allah will tell him, Qum, get up and ask me. And whatever you ask of me today, I shall not refuse for you, because he has that dua. Our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam could ask for anything. He could ask for anything, but what is he going to ask for? He says, I will say, Ummati, ummati. My ummah, forgive them.